this item is not available in your country, or you are saying this app is not available in your country, if you are seeing any of this error message on your Google Play Store, then you need to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to simply show you 3 safe methods you can actually use in order to access app when you are facing a region problem like this one, or a Play Store issue like this one. So guys, let's dive right into the video. Now, for disclaimer purpose, this video is actually for educational purpose only. Always follow any app policy and your local laws when using these methods. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So the first method you need to actually take right here on your Google Play Store like this is to go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner like this. Once you do that, you're going to be able to see the option of settings at the bottom of the screen right here. If you click on that, you're going to be able to see the option of general. So when you go to general like this, the second option here is accounts and device preference. If you click on that, you are going to be able to see your region. So mind you can only change your Google Play country only when you move to a new country. So let's say you live in United States and you move to United Kingdom. You can only change your country on your Google Play Store when you relocate to another country or another region. So if that is the case, if you just relocated to somewhere else, you can simply come right here and you are going to be able to see the option of changing your country to another region. But if you are not seeing that right here, just a smile, it actually means that you've not relocated to any country recently. So if that is not the case, the second way you can actually fix this problem is to go to your phone settings. Go to your phone settings just like this. So sometimes this issue might actually happen because of your Play Store data or your location error. So in order for you to fix that, you can simply scroll like this and click on this place here where you can see apps. Look for where you can see apps or app manager. Go ahead and click on apps like this. Once you do that, you're going to be able to see a list of apps that are on your phone. So you need to go ahead and click on the search button at the top right corner and search for Play Store. If you search for Google Play Store like this, you are going to be able to see your Google Play Store app. Clicking on it like this and scrolling like this, you are going to be able to see the option of storage. If you click on storage like this, at the bottom you are going to see where it says clear cache and also where it says clear data. Clicking on clear cache, this is actually going to help you to fix the issue if it is actually a storage issue. So clicking on clear cache, this is actually going to help you to clear the app cache, and you are now going to be able to see the app that you are trying to search for on your Google Play Store. So going back to your Play Store and searching for the app, you might actually see the app and you are not going to be able to be seeing that error message again on the app, if that is actually the issue. So if that is not the issue in your own case, there's actually another solution you can actually follow. So if the app is still not showing, this is what you can simply do as well in order to fix this issue if it is actually a regional availability issue. So you can actually try to switch from your mobile data to your Wi-Fi. If you are currently using mobile data, you can actually switch it to Wi-Fi or any other different network connection. This can actually help to refresh how your device connects to the Google Play Store and also help you to fix this issue. But if this does not actually solve your problem, this is what you can simply do next. If the app is actually free and the app is actually still available, you can actually check if the developer provides it outside of Google Play Store. So if the provider of that app actually provided the app outside of Google Play Store, you can actually go to their official website, go ahead and search for the official website, and then look for the option of download and download it. Now you need to take note that you need to only download apps that are from a trusted and official source in order to keep your device safe. So if all the solution I mentioned in this video did not actually work out for you, it might actually be that the app is not yet supported in your region yet. So you just need to wait for the official release of the app. This is how simple it is to actually fix this app isn't available in my country or region. So this is how simple it is to fix this app isn't available in your region. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel yet, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. In this channel, we give you the best solution ever and honest review as well. See you in the next one.